This is running in AndroidPunk. It is actually being called from a JavaScript for its update function. So JavaScript, you load a script and then you can call functions in it. So I have my test world here, which just loads up this script and calls a main. Now this script, this main gets passed in the world, creates a new entity, sets its position, and adds it to the world. Even prints out a little line that'll come out through the Android log cat. Alright, so my test script entity is just a basic text string. The constructor takes a string. From test, we actually set it to nothing, just to just so the script creates everything. So the script contains what text to write and a position, and every time it runs, it calls this update function with itself. And so right here you have your update with your entity. You add to this timer. If the timer is greater than 0.15 seconds, it calls apply, which adds position. If it's a space, it keeps going, and then sets the text to be displayed. And then if the text is all displayed, then it returns back to the base. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. It's running an emulator, so it runs really slowly, but on a device it actually is in 150 milliseconds. And there you go. I have scripts running in AndroidPunk. To create new objects, you have to fully declare through the package name, like so, and then from there you can use the new and call constructors. You have full access to, I believe, all public interfaces. You do not have access to private. You should be able to implement interfaces and abstract classes in the JavaScript, but I haven't tested this. The script is an interface. So if you want to implement a new type of scripting language, you have to add a call function and a load, or you have to implement a call function and a load script, and you can write your own scripts. And that's the basics of it. It uses Rhino from the Mozilla team, and it is interpreted, not compilation, because of it wants to compile to JVM instead of Dalvik. There's one helper function here, the print. It's defined as a JavaScript function, which just goes through and creates a thing and prints it to the log cat. And yeah, so there you go. JavaScript's in AndroidPunk. Thanks.